bitch got wet. Hell no. Huh. Look at this YouTube. Looks like it got wet. Well, goddamn. Well, today's video is on the new Silverado speaker box for 212s, down firing. But it seems to be like it got a little wet. Oh well. That's what I paid for it. 92 bucks. Amazon Prime. Going in the farm truck. Get rid of all this junk ass shit. There she be. Looks like a piece of shit. Don't look too bad. Defective item. Damaged item. Take my damn money back. Alright guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys. Here's my little temp setup. 2 kicker CVR 10s. Getting rid of this and going with some 12s on the American Bass 120.1. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it's in. This is just to see if it fits, and it fits really good. So now I just gotta take it back out and put the subs in. So I'll try to do a time lapse of that. So stay tuned. All right, guys, they're in. Getting them wired up. Let's see if I can set you guys up right here. I do like these terminals better than the push plastic ones that melt. So we'll see what they'll do. Had to use some bullshit 16 gauge speaker wire for now, but that's all right. Plan on upgrading these subs to kicker shallow mounts. Not sure if I'm gonna go with those VT ones or the RTs. I believe they're single voice coils though, so I gotta get single 2 of them, so I'll be at 1. Yeah, like I said, I'm running the 120.1 all 0 gauge wire. This will be at 1 ohm right here. Dual 4s wired in parallel. All right, sound test is next.